guys, welcome back to some MyJ's Fun Adventures. Today we are gonna unbox a funny mini toys candy dispenser. Before we start, make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe for more unboxing videos. So let's get started. MyJ's Fun Adventures.
We have a bunch of toy dispensers in that bowl. There you go. And we all got this from the dollar store. Yeah, right.
Not sponsored.
No, it's not sponsored. And these toys are not recommended for 3 years and younger. All right, so let's go. So which one do you want to start off first?
With the ambulance.
The ambulance car?
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is, guys. This is what the ambulance car looks up close. Got some candy in there, that's for sure. Okay, so I've removed the plastics, and let's see. I guess it opens right here. Let's pop that open. Okay, there you go. And it lifts up, and you could dispense some candy. Go candy. Here you go, Samadhi. And guys, after you guys eat candy, brush your teeth. All right, let's move on. Let's take a look at the other toy dispensers. So which one are we gonna look at next?
The King Cobra.
What is that?
A King Cobra.
King Cobra. Okay, so what color is this?
Red.
A red King Cobra. Okay, look at that. Guys, if you guys see a real cobra in real life, run away. Do not get near it. This is a very, very poisonous snake. Okay, so this is a lollipop, and I guess open it like that, and there you go. And this is a lollipop. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, and put it back like that. There you go.
Time to taste it. Taste test.
Taste test.
Okay, so I open this. Now let's taste. 3, 2, 1.
What flavor is it? Good?
Grape, yeah.
Yeah, grape flavor, right. It's purple. Okay, so set that down and let's take a look at another toy dispenser.
Let's do the airplane one.
Oh, an airplane. Wow.
It says Shark Attack.
Shark Attack? Ooh, I see that. I think this is oh, yes, it does say Shark Attack. There you go. I believe it's right here. And just pop that open. And there's the candy. Dispense the candy. There you go. And also the propeller also moves. See? There you go.
The bubble gum.
Ooh, that looks cute. That is a gumball machine. Okay, go ahead and open that up. All right, remove the plastic wrap.
Oops.
Okay, so you're gonna show that one, right?
So basically, it says turn.
Let's see, what color is the next gumball? Those are so cute. Oh, okay, let's see another. So turn, that is cute. Another pink one. How we could, oh, I think, yes, there you go. So you just unscrew that. Oh, this is really cute. I like this one. And then once the candy is gone, maybe you, we could put more healthier candy in here, like maybe peanuts if the kid is a little bit older, right?
I don't like peanuts.
No, you don't like peanuts. And screw it back on.
Guys, if you don't know me, I do not like peanuts.
Okay, that is cute. I like that one. All right. Okay, so this is the Dino Do. And I believe there's some instructions at the back right here. So it said, head hinges open and fill. Push down on booty. And it should poop some colorful candies. Yes. All right. So, and this is this, do you know if this one eats plants or meat? Or both?
Meat.
No, this is a herbivore, meaning it only eats plants. And so does the stegosaurus. Okay, that's a pink stegosaurus, brachiosaurus. All right, so let's open it up. And this should be really cute. Okay.
Without the plastic.
Right. Okay, and there you go. Ooh, okay. And I guess you just pop it. Oh, okay, so it's stuck there. There you go. And then you open. Okay. Oh, it has. And then just open the head. Hope I don't break it. Okay, so you open the head like that. Right there.
Fill it up.
And it should poop out the candy right there. I want to see this one. This is the Sweet Shots, and you can see right here it has a basketball court and some round candies, and you push down right here and you could play some basketball. Oh, okay, right here. There you go. And right here. There you go.
It's a water gun. So basically you fill it up with water. And then you just press this little handle.
Mm-hmm.
And then once you hold it, water's supposed to come out.
Wow. Let's take a closer look. Right, so you're supposed to open this part right here and fill it up with water and shoot Samaje with water. There you go, and then you're supposed to screw it right here and pop this open. There you go, more candy. What do you have there? An orange bulldozer?
Yes. And then it says open here, so I just open this up.
There you go. We dispense all the candy in our candy bowl. There you go. And pop it back up, and there you go. Wacky monkeys. So this one's pretty cute, and the monkey is holding a pair of cymbals. See that? Press down on the little banana right here. And look, take a look at the eyes of the monkey. So cute. There you go. And that is where you dispense our candy bowls.
I will choose next is the monkey. So basically you just hold these two things and then the monkey is supposed to do very cool tricks.
Right, it spins around. There you go. Ooh, yay! Look at the monkey. It's having fun.
The monkey with the cymbals.
So you like the monkey with the cymbals better?
Yes.
They're both cute in my opinion.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's take a look again and how to dispense the candy.
Yeah.
Right here.
The bowl it goes.
Into our candy bowl. It is almost filled up.
I see we have another blue bulldozer.
Right, we can learn with colors. The young kids that are watching this video, we can learn about different colors. And then you just open the back, pop it back right there. Oh, okay, right here. There you go. And then at the back, that's where you dispense the candy.
Here's a red airplane.
Oh, another red one. That looks the same as the gray airplane. Show the gray. There you go. So here is the red shark attack plane. There you go, guys. So they black propeller. Candy right here. There you go, Candy. Oh no! Oh, we're gonna open another dino do. So do you know what dinosaur this is, Samade?
A stegosaurus.
Right, it is a stegosaurus. Now, do you know if this is a herbivore or a carnivore?
A carnivore.
A carnivore is a dinosaur that eats meat, or an animal that eats meat. So does this dinosaur eat plants or meat?
Meat.
No, wrong again. A stegosaurus is a herbivore, meaning it eats only plants. Oh, here you go. Give me the bowl. Candy bowl. There you go. More candy.
Candy everywhere. Hey.
Yeah. That's so cute. And now next is a police car toy display right here, and the candy dispensers right there.
Load out the prisoners.
Among all the candy dispensers, because I love unicorns, right, Samaj? So this is the unicorn do. Let's unbox it, friends. The last but not least, we save the best for last. Woohoo! And here I have a white unicorn and of course some more candy. Okay, so show our friends this pooping unicorn. Show it how it works. So pooped out red and green, a pooping unicorn. Okay guys, so let's play. Let's do a little race. The police car versus the ambulance. So who's the first car to reach our dino dudes, the monkeys, the gumball machine wins. All right, go. Okay, so mommy has the black police car and Samadhi has the white ambulance. Ready, set, go. Oops. Oh, he won. It's okay, I can still go. So Samadhi won. All right. So next one is the blue bulldozer versus the orange bulldozer. So which one do you want, Samaj?
I want the blue bulldozer.
I think my orange bulldozer is gonna beat Samaj's blue bulldozer. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for more videos. All right, Samaj, let's go. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, I won! Yay! Gray plane versus the red shark attack. Okay, so choose, Samaje. Which color plane do you want?
The gray.
So yours is the gray. Okay, here you go.
Okay. And if I win, you gotta subscribe to this channel. But if mommy wins, you gotta hit the like button to this video.
All right. Okay, so let's start. All right, so let's go to the starting line. Get out of there, unicorn.
Or will run you over like this.
Ready, set, go! Ah! All right. Ready, set, go! Oh, quit pooping! All right, let's go.
This will be it for this video. If you want to see more, make sure you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next fun adventures. Bye!
Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these unboxing toy videos, please subscribe to our channel because we have more unboxing videos to come. Bye. Thank you.